Hello everyone, this is SKYWORTH Global Marketing Department Training Group. This is Jerry. Sales point in hand, sales goal in sight. Today, we're going to show you how to use the function of meeting mode. Now, let's go. First step, press the shortcut button and open meeting mode. Second step, you can check there are totally 4 function settings. There are wireless cast, source, document, and timer. In wireless cast, there are 4 types of casting ways. There are video cast, phone screen mirror, PC screen mirror, and QR code scanning cast. Once you connect your phone and TV to the same Wi-Fi, you can do the casting very conveniently. In source, there are 3 HDMI ports which can be used to connect different devices. In document, you can manage and open the files you need for meeting. In timer, you can make a timer when you do the presentation in order to remind you of the time limits. Okay, this is all the information for today. See you next time. Bye-bye.
SKYWORTH